You're not swimming today? Okay. That's all right. What you need to do, though, is you need to always know where he is. Have a look at your partner. You're responsible for knowing where that person is at all times today. There you go. If I say to you, John, where is your partner, and you can't tell me that, that's going to be a problem. So just make sure, for safety purposes, that you know where your partner is. If you hear me yell, if you hear my voice today, I need to have your attention, and I need to actually have your eye contact. So I'll be looking for a lot of eye contact today. What we're going to do is trudge and crawl, as I said, and it's going to be a combination of a couple of strokes, and those strokes, we're going to warm them up right now. So hop into the pool, feet first entries only, and you're going to swim one width of front crawl, and one length of front crawl, and one length of side stroke. Hop in with a group of three. Alright, come on over to the side of the pool. Stand on the side with your partner. Each person's going to have a kickboard. Anybody here ever heard of trudge and crawl before? Perfect. Perfect. But I can tell by the warm-up that you already have everything that you need in order to do the trudge and crawl. You all have a side stroke, and you all have an arm stroke, and something that looks like breathing. All right? Most people in the front crawl, they struggle because of the breathing, right? Can't get that breathing in there, that's a problem. And trudge and crawl combines the arm stroke and front crawl and the kick and the side stroke in such a way that makes the breathing really, really easy. How many here are taking the quadders? A few people. How many here are going to take the quadders? Okay, a few more people. Everybody in that class is going to need to swim a 500-yard swim. Does that worry you? Yeah. It's not going to worry you anymore? Yeah, you get to do it again. Now, the problem that people have is sustaining a swim over a long period of time. If you have had a stroke that's reasonably fast and reasonably easy, you can do a 500, and that'll last you a really, really long time. So that's good stuff. All right? So one of the benefits of this is it's a stroke that's quick and it can be done for a long period of time. I'm going to swim past you a couple of times so you can get an idea of what the thing looks like, and then we'll break it down and we'll practice it. By the end of the day, you should be able to swim at least 2 lengths of the trudge and crawl using the arm stroke, the kick, and proper breathing. So that's really what we're after today. In terms of safety, mainly make sure that you know where your partner is all the time. If there's a problem with your partner, you can't find them, that means that you need to let me know and be responsible for them. So let's be responsible, keep an eye out for your partners. Any questions at this point? No? You want to see the demonstration? All right, here we go. Two questions.
What kind of kick goes along with Trojan crawl, trunk crawl?
Well, that's a really good question. What kind of kick goes along with that? Side stroke kick, which is called flutter whip.
Flutter whip.
Flutter kick, flutter whip. Scissor kick, yeah. That's the scissors kick. All right? We're going to practice that in the first drill. What's the next question? What's that? That's another really good question. Breathe. When, this will be easier to show you, you breathe as you turn onto your side. So if you're doing the front crawl, watch the front crawl. Or watch how the breathing changes. So when you do the breathing, when it comes time to do the breathing, you're going to turn your head to the side, breathe very slowly, and hesitate on the arm stroke. So I'll do a couple of strokes front crawl, and then a couple of strokes with the trudging, and see if you can tell me what the difference is in terms of the breathing. That sets up the kick and allows you more time to take a breath. now. Put your kickboards up on the side. Yeah.
How many kicks are for arm stroke? How many kicks per arm stroke?
One kick per arm stroke. Okay? You're going to swim the front crawl now. This time when you swim it, as you come around to do your breathing, I want you to turn on your side and do a side stroke kick. So we'll try the whole thing together, and then maybe we'll break it down a little bit more. The side is going to go first. You or your partner, you're going to swim to the other side of the pool, and then wait for your partner. First group, go ahead. Okay, next group. That's pretty good. Slow it down. Slow it down. And when you turn, now, when you turn to do your breathing, you're almost going to stop with the upper arm. Wait for the legs to do the scissors kick, and then go. Watch it one more time. Watch the hesitation in the stroke. It's almost stop. Side. Wait. Okay, so you're going to wait on the kick until you turn all the way onto the side. First group, come on back. Next group. All right, we're going to walk it back a little bit. A lot of people are getting it. Some folks are struggling a little bit with the timing. This stroke really is all about the timing. So what I would like you to do is to take your kickboard, hold it with your top arm, usually your dominant arm, extended in front of you on your side this way, and you're going to do simply the scissors kick over to the other side of the pool. So keep on the side, and you're going to do a scissors kick over to the other side of the pool. First group, go ahead. Top leg goes forward, top leg forward. Big step forward. Okay, and the scissors kick, make sure you get that big step forward. Go ahead, first, next group. Good. Tall step forward. Flip over on the other side. Yeah, that's it. Good, Matt, good. All right, that's good, that's better. Now, you need to watch your partner to make sure that when they're coming back across the pool, when they kick, the top leg is the one that's coming forward. Make sure that your partner's top leg is coming forward. This time as you come across the pool, you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to put the other arm in over the top and do an arm stroke with your kick. Understand? Okay, first group, go ahead. Put the arm stroke in. your arm in, put the arm stroke in. Okay, when in the stroke, when in the kick, do you do the arm stroke?
Yeah.
After what? After the kick? Okay, that might be a little bit late. And that's, I think, the stroke, the problem that you maybe have.
Like when you start to bring your leg back together?
Yeah, you're starting. Go ahead. During the recovery. Okay, what happens is, you're all right in certain ways. What happens is when you start your kick, and then the arm stroke happens at the same time as the kick. All right, watch it one more time. Your arm stroke at the same time that you do your kick. Demonstration? Really? I thought you were chasing officials. What's that? Something was biting your toe. Really? Does that happen to you a lot? Okay, questions about that? You're going to watch your partner now. And what you're watching for is to make sure that your arm stroke and the kick are happening at the same time. All right? First group, go ahead.
Good job, Brandon. Looking good. Good job, Gregor.
Next group. Okay. That feel any better? All right. Now what we're trying to do is to put the whole thing together again. You want to see it again? Okay. Give it a try. First group, go ahead. Good. Make sure that you're really rolling on your side. That's what gives you the sense of kick. Make sure you really get on the side. Go ahead, next group. Okay, how does that feel? What's that? Feel more comfortable on the other side? It can go on either side. It really depends on where you're comfortable. Okay? What side you do doesn't matter so much. Normally, people think of this as a variation of the front crawl. All right? So people will do the front crawl, and and then they'll just change the kick around. So as you do your front crawl, Paulus is in particular with you. When you do, as you do in your front crawl, you want to make sure that when you do your breathing, you're going to turn all the way over to your side, almost stop your arm stroke, and make sure that you can set up the kick. So what I would like you to do now is just going to swim straight up, front crawl to the other side of the pool using the correct breathing pattern. First group, go ahead. Okay, not bad. Next group. Now, you all have certain sides that you like to breathe on. So when you feel yourself moving that breath, you're going to roll to the side, make sure you're completely to the side, and that's when you set up your kick. So basically this is front crawl with a side stroke kick, if you really want to make it simple. Front crawl with a side stroke kick. And all you need to do is slow down the arm stroke when you do your breathing cycle. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay. All right. First group, come on back. Take it slow. Next group. Here, and then when you put the kick in, your arm comes up and you turn on your side and do a side swing. So you're not hitting that side position. All right? All right. I need to have another 2 questions from different people. All right? I'm going to send you over to the other side, and by the time we get over there, you need to have a couple of questions. What's that? Okay. Well, I gotta wait till we get to the other side. I appreciate your enthusiasm. Remember now, watch your partner. Let them know. You should, when you're doing this stroke, your partner should see that shoulder up out of the water. That's how they know you're on your side. That's critically important. That's got to happen in order for there to be a side stroke kick. Got to roll on your side. You should see that opposite shoulder up out of the water. First group, go ahead. Go slow. Next group. Okay, we're making some progress here. It's looking better. First question. Yes. No, you asked one before, didn't you? Maybe. All right. Since you don't remember the question, go right ahead.
Is it competitive or recreational?
What do you think? Is this competitive or recreational?
Competitive. Well, for me, kind of.
It's a using the truncheon as well as you can. Remember, when you're doing this for a distance, you got to relax. It's supposed to be a relaxing stroke. It's the front crawl with the side stroke kick. Make sure you get that side stroke kick in every stroke cycle. So let's start out over here, up and back. Be sure not to crash into each other. And remember, have fun. Okay, you can go when you're ready. Side stroke and the front crawl. What's the real benefit of doing this stroke? Makes the breathing pattern easier so you can do it for a really long time. That's right. Now, knowing how to do a thing is different than actually doing it. We understand that. So now that you know how to do it, what you need is a little bit of practice. Okay? Being in deep water, that can be a little intimidating. To really get some perfection on this stroke now, what you can do is come to a wreck swim with somebody else who's been in the class who knows what it is that you're trying to do, and just practice it going slowly. You don't have somebody up over you saying, ready, go, ready, go, ready, and go. You know how to do it. Now that you actually perform it, you just need some more practice. I've seen a great deal of improvement just in this half hour that we've had to play around with it. I have no doubt that if we had some more time where we could revisit the stroke, that everybody would get it and they would find it something that you could do for quite a long while. All right? Thank you for your attention today. See you in the classroom next time. By the way, I've given you the links so you can see the survey research, the survey that you've already completed. Any questions before we go?
When are you posting the video?
It's already posted.